Hey everyone, welcome to day 28. Today's the 30th of March, and today I'm gonna try to wrap out my everything I've learned in Docker by containerizing my own app or website that I made a while ago. So it's on my other computer right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna containerize it on the other computer, and I'm gonna test out if I actually did it by running a local host on this computer after pulling it and seeing if everything works. As you can see, this is my website. This is what it looks like. And so I've already built the container. Here's how I built it. So obviously I tried to immediately Docker build and realized I forgot to go to the directory, so I changed with cd documents crulet, and now that I'm in a directory where everything is, I did docker build crulet app, and after I finished building, it said failed to read docker file, and I was a bit weirded up, and that's when I realized, because when I made it I chose text, so it was dockerfile.txt, but it should just be dockerfile without anything, no extensions. So once again I changed that. So after adding a docker file, okay, so I kind of forgot to show what was in what I actually put in the Docker file, so I'm adding this in post-production. Basically, if you look at this, if you've actually kept along in day 23, I actually talked about this, how to create your own image with the format, with the commands like from, run, copy, work directory command. That's all in the day 23 video. But I'll explain it here as well. So the first line specifies the base image for your Docker container. So in my case, my app, my project used Python, and I just used the latest one, also like the most lightweight one of 3.9. So that will be Python 3.9 Slim. And then the working directory, next line, working directory /app. So this line pretty much just sets the working directory inside the container to /app directory. So all the commands following that will be done in the /app, because when I use the full stop, it will just be put in the current working directory, right? So for example, the next line, copy requirements txt, which copies the so I made requirements.txt for my project, and it will copy everything from my local machine into the current working directory, which in this case I've set to /app, so everything will be in /app. And then run pip install. So the no cache directory means that I don't want anything, I don't want pip to cache the downloaded packages, so that will help reduce the image size. And then obviously /r and then requirements.txt, which I want to install the dependencies specified inside requirements.txt. And then next we copy ... What that means is, well, it copies all the files and directories from my local project directory into the current working directory, which is /app, and then command python app.py, which specifies the command that will be executed when the container starts. And so here it runs python interpreter and executes the app.py file, which is what it's called, my project is called in my current my local machine. And yeah, so after successfully building and then after making the Docker file, we can now push into Docker Hub, and that is exactly what I did. So I pushed it into Docker Hub. I recorded everything already, but the quality was pretty bad, so I decided to re-record everything and add screenshots of the relevant parts of what I'm talking about, such as my PowerShell. So once again, after everything's done like this, we run docker tag crulet app, name of it, and then my Docker Hub username along with what I want it to be called. And then next I log in right to that account and then push into it. And after that I can switch on back to my laptop. Okay, welcome back. I've already added the app, so I already pushed it, and now we're gonna see if we can actually run it. So first of all, let's just try run it right now. I'll go host 5000, nothing. Okay, so now we're going to push it and see if something actually pops up. Let's see, docker pull, and then it's called my name, Richard Fan 21, roulette app, latest. So we're going to pull from here, this directory. Okay, it looks like everything worked. Now let's try to run it. Okay, so binding port already in use. Okay, yeah, I'm not too sure why 5000 wasn't working. I tried out 5001 and there's no problem, but I'm not sure what 5000 was. If you guys know what was going on there, feel free to let me know. But yeah, I'm pretty happy that I managed to do this. Been wanting to do it for a while now, and now after learning Docker, finally I've containerized my app. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.